Hi, my name is Simon. I'm from Native English School. We have some questions that you sent in. We'll look at the first two words to see what the difference is. The first two words I can see, cause and reason. We use reason when we want to say why something happened or why we did something. Cause we use when we want to show the result of something. So the reason I went to the cinema is because I wanted to see the movie. The cause of this is that I was bored.
Reason explains why something happened. Cause makes something happen.
So your task is to tell me which is correct. What's the cause for your studying English, or what's the reason for your studying English? And obviously the answer is, what's the reason you study English? Because it is why you do something. It's the reason. And the next two words we will look at are ceremonial and ceremonious. Essentially, these two words are the same. They both describe some type of traditional action, ceremony, or something similar, something formal. The only difference, we usually use ceremonial with an object, a ceremonial robe, a ceremonial dagger. Ceremonious, we would use usually with some type of behavior. For example, a ceremonious manner or a ceremonious speech.
Ceremonial, an adjective describing something used in a ceremony. Ceremonious, an adjective describing something suitable for a ceremony.
And a task for you, tell me which one is correct. If I say they did a ceremonial dance or a ceremonious dance, which would you choose? And of course, the answer is ceremonial dance. It's some type of action. And the last two words we will look at are myth and legend. Both of these describe some type of historical story in the past. The small difference is legend is usually based on something we believe is possibly real, whereas myth is based on something that is probably imaginary. Especially when we talk about gods or these type of things, we would use the word myth.
Legend, a potentially real story that has some element of truth. Myth, a not real or imaginary story.
So your task is to tell me which is correct. The story of King Arthur was a legend or a myth? And of course the answer is legend, because they say there's some truth to the story of King Arthur.
Reason explains why something happened. Cause makes something happen. Ceremonial, an adjective describing something used in a ceremony. Ceremonious, an adjective describing something suitable for a ceremony. Legend, a potentially real story that has some element of truth. Myth, a not real or imaginary story.
So in conclusion, I suppose there's no real reason to dress in ceremonial clothes when you read about English legends. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.